So it's pretty late. It's been a long day, but this piece of mail came in, and another black bubble mailer. You can probably guess who it would be from, but just in case, we'll still dig into it. Okay, come on. Are you kidding me? Just open like you're supposed to. Tear seam somewhere. Had to use a different knife. I lost my multi-tool on the job today, but anyway, so we're gonna pull out this one first. Well, no. Ooh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna pull out these two first. So, I've been wanting to get this one for a bit. So this is a chop shop item from Covert Instruments. As you can tell by the profile, if I can get it open at all, it is the number 2 McTickler, and it definitely, as some people have noted, has a different look to it when in person. I find it quite cool. So where this is going to reside now is it's going to go in my Tradecraft case with the Genesis set, so that I can also have that with me in my everyday carry. All these other ones are kind of creeping up on each other. I might move you. Ow. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So now I've got that and all these to go with it. But then in addition to that, I've been looking at getting something, well, getting the full set anyway, because I really like the turning tools. And so I got the Reaper turning tools in this bunch. You can see you've got the standard, they do mark them, so you can tell what size they are. And that's on both accounts. So let's see, we've got the 3 here. And a lot of people talk about them real good, so I'm like, well, I want the set so that I can have them. I was thinking of replacing the turning tools that come with the Genesis set, but it looks like I may be able to get away with just stashing them in here as well, so that I can just have them all together. So if I close it up, yeah, it closes up just fine. It'll still fit in my pocket, so it'll be fine. But there is one more thing in this set that I got, and that is the practice lock right there. So it'll let me go into it. Let me see if I can find my victim lock. So, this is my victim lock. This is the Hyper Tough. Basically tells me that, you know, a couple things. I've messed with this a couple different times to do, like, well, mostly zipping at this point, because that's all, you know, yeah. Walmart locks aren't the best, and so trusting it with your most valuable stuff isn't the best idea, in my opinion, at this point, because of just how bad they are. So if I stick our Reaper turning tool in, there we go. Yeah. So you can again, if you've seen any video about this, it's basically a hybrid pick. You can zip with it, you can kind of rake with it, or you can single pin pick with it all in one tool, which is one reason why once I get a handle on it, which is what this is for helping me do, and understanding what I'm feeling, then you can kind of have mostly one singular tool to do everything with. But let's get all these happy end together again. So again, the reason why I would replace the standard turning tools with these is because they're in essence the same deal, but they are quite a bit smaller, and I know people have said that about them, but seeing them in person really is very, very, it's something for sure. So now finally we have the practice lock. This is one that I was looking for because I've been having a hard time figuring out whether I'm feeling spools or what I'm feeling in the lock. And so if I can pin my own lock easily, it does make it quite a bit easier to figure out what the heck I am feeling in the lock. So the practice lock will allow me to do that, because now I can pin up my own lock with different pins and what have you, instead of, yeah, you get the idea. So they've got spin, the spooled, and then serrated pins, and then your key pins right here. Oh, also regular pins. This should let me do my own progress and kind of roll from there, so it will be pretty nifty. And obviously it turns right now because it doesn't have any key pins in it. I haven't keyed it up, but it'll be nice to be able to mess around with it, to do some practice and actually get a feel for what I am actually feeling. Rather, yeah, you get the idea. But yeah, that's the current haul that I have. Yeah, I know, it's not a try-on haul, but it's a lockpick haul or lock sport haul that promises to continue to keep on giving. But anyway, yeah, I might do a little bit more. This lock I was planning on blind picking on video, but it's a little bit late for that, so it's going to be a separate video and probably along with this. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.